Recently, we had the opportunity to visit the sacred city of Ayodhya. This journey was truly inspiring and memorable for all of us. During our stay in Ayodhya, we were accommodated at an RSS camp where we experienced discipline, simplicity, and a strong sense of service. Although this visit became possible after careful planning and consistent efforts, every moment of the journey proved to be meaningful and enriching. The participation of Universal Public School, Bahuar, Mirzapur made this visit even more special and proud for us. The spiritual atmosphere, cultural richness, and positive energy of Ayodhya deeply influenced everyone. This trip was not only an educational tour but also a valuable experience that helped us understand important life values.
Faces reflected happiness and curiosity as they moved forward together. The atmosphere was full of positive energy and devotion. All the teachers were also very happy and actively guiding the children. For safety and comfort, everyone was wearing caps and sunglasses, which added a sense of unity and preparedness to the group. After taking a holy bath, the children became even more enthusiastic. They were chanting slogans with full devotion and energy, raising religious chants and slogans together. Their voices echoed with faith, joy, and collective spirit. This moment was not just about visiting a sacred place, it was about discipline, teamwork, happiness, and spiritual learning. The journey to
While passing through the sweet shops, the children happily bought flowers, garlands, and other offerings with great excitement. Their faces were full of joy and devotion as they carefully held their flowers and moved forward together. Soon, the group reached the sacred Hanuman Garhi temple. As they entered the temple area, the children started chanting slogans with full energy and devotion. The powerful chants created such a vibrant atmosphere that it felt as if the entire surroundings were filled with faith and positivity. The happiness of the children was clearly visible, and the teachers were equally joyful and satisfied. This moment was not just a temple visit but a beautiful experience of devotion, discipline, unity, and pure happiness, which made the entire journey truly memorable.
Now we had finally reached inside the Hanuman Garhi temple. As soon as we entered, we saw a huge crowd of devotees all around us. The entire atmosphere was filled with devotion, faith, and excitement. Some priests came forward and applied tilak on the foreheads of the devotees. The children happily stepped ahead, received the tilak with respect, and offered a small amount of money. Their faces were shining with joy and devotion. The children were full of enthusiasm and energy, raising slogans loudly with great excitement. Their voices echoed throughout the temple premises and created a powerful spiritual environment. With devotion in our hearts and discipline in our steps, we slowly moved forward and entered the main area of the Hanuman Garhi temple. It felt like a divine moment where happiness, faith, unity, and spiritual energy came together and made the experience truly memorable for everyone present.
After completing our visit to Hanuman Garhi, we continued our journey towards the Ram Mandir, the sacred birthplace of Lord Ram. As we moved ahead, the excitement among the children was clearly visible. Their eyes were filled with curiosity, devotion, and happiness. Walking in a disciplined line, the children carefully followed the instructions of the traffic police and respected all safety rules. This sense of discipline and responsibility made the journey smooth and organized. Along the way, the atmosphere remained lively and joyful. Some playful monkeys appeared on the path and tried to snatch prasad from the children. This created moments of laughter and light-hearted fun. A few children laughed, shared smiles, and enjoyed these playful moments while still remaining careful and attentive. These small incidents added joy and unforgettable memories to the journey. As we moved closer to the Ram Mandir, the feeling of devotion grew stronger. The children continued walking together with enthusiasm and respect, understanding the importance of the sacred place they were about to visit. Teachers guided them patiently, ensuring discipline and safety at every step. Reaching the Ram Mandir, the birthplace of Lord Ram, felt truly special. The journey from Hanuman Garhi to Ram Mandir became more than just a walk. It became an experience of faith, discipline, happiness, and cultural learning. The excitement, laughter, devotion, and unity of the children made this moment truly memorable and meaningful for everyone involved. All the children deposited their unnecessary items such as mobile phones, garlands, and prasad at the designated counter. Everyone cooperated calmly and responsibly, showing discipline and respect for the sacred place. After submitting their belongings, the children stood in a proper line and patiently waited for their turn. Their faces reflected excitement, devotion, and curiosity as they moved forward step by step. The atmosphere around the temple was peaceful and filled with faith. When the children finally had the darshan of Lord Ram, their hearts were filled with joy and devotion. It was a deeply emotional and spiritual moment for them. After completing the darshan, the children came out of the temple with calm minds and happy faces. This experience taught them the values of discipline, patience, and respect for religious traditions. The visit to the Ram Mandir became a meaningful and memorable moment, leaving everyone with a sense of peace, devotion, and inner happiness. After all the children completed the darshan of Lord Ram, they happily gathered for a photo session. Smiles were everywhere, and the children were excited to capture these memorable moments with their friends and teachers. The photo session became a joyful activity, as everyone wanted to preserve the memories of this special visit. Soon after, the school bus started its return journey towards the school. As soon as the children boarded the bus, the atmosphere became lively and cheerful.